Welcome to the world of Ultra Short Throw Projectors, where the big picture comes from a surprisingly short distance. These nifty gadgets are here to rescue you from the tyranny of the traditional long throw projectors that demanded a room-length runway. Say goodbye to shadow puppetry during presentations, and hello to a crystal-clear big picture from up close. If you're ready for an up-close and personal viewing experience, stick around for our rundown of the best Ultra Short Throw projectors. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Hisense PX1 Pro, our pick for best budget ultra short throw projector. Immersive entertainment experiences can now be effortlessly achieved without breaking the bank. The Hisense PX1 Pro projector emerges as a formidable competitor in the UST projector arena. While it may not boast the lowest price tag, its feature-packed design and exceptional performance highlight its value proposition. Crafted with precision, the Hisense PX1 Pro seamlessly fits into compact spaces, yet projects a cinematic 90 to 130-inch display using a sophisticated triple laser light source. With a brightness rating of 2200 lumens, it strikes a balance between vivid visuals and immersive colors. The trio of lasers, each dedicated to red, green, and blue hues, ensures a vibrant and true-to-life picture quality that captivates the senses. In addition to its visual prowess, the PX1 Pro houses built-in speakers for convenient audio output. While competent, audiophiles may prefer to pair it with a dedicated sound system for a truly immersive experience. To unleash the full potential of the Hisense PX1 Pro, consider leveraging an ambient light-rejecting screen for optimal performance. By making this investment, you can elevate your viewing experience without compromising quality, all while saving on the cost of higher-end models. Embrace the world of captivating visuals and immersive entertainment with the Hisense PX1 Pro projector, where exceptional performance meets affordability for a truly rewarding viewing experience. Number 4. AAXA P400, our pick for best ultra short throw mini projector. Compact and portable, the AAXA P400 projector is an ideal companion for those on the move. Standing out from its competitors, this projector boasts a native resolution of 1080p for crisp and clear visuals. Its short throw lens ensures a larger image projection even in limited spaces, allowing you to set up without casting distracting shadows. During our testing, we found that the brightness of the P400 on AC power equated to around 200 ANSY lumens, suitable for presenting a 40-inch image in low to moderate light settings. Surprisingly, the onboard audio from the 2-watt speaker exceeded expectations, providing clear and sufficient sound quality for various applications. Who is the P400 designed for? This versatile projector caters to both business professionals and home entertainment enthusiasts. While it may exhibit a slight bluish-green tint, which is more noticeable in photorealistic images than graphics, it excels in presentations and similar scenarios. Road warriors will appreciate its ease of setup in small conference rooms, offering larger projected images compared to standard laptop screens. Moreover, the P400 ensures enjoyable video playback and low input lag for casual gaming sessions, providing a moment of leisure amidst busy schedules. Overall, the AAXA P400 strikes a balance between professional functionality and entertainment value, making it a valuable asset for those seeking versatility and quality in a portable projector. Still searching for the perfect ultra short throw projector? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Epson EpiQVision Ultra LS800, our pick for best ultra short throw projector for sports. Looking for a top quality projector that stands out in performance and versatility? Epson's LS800 UST projector could be the answer you've been searching for. One of the remarkable features of this projector is its ability to deliver an impressive 4,000 lumens of brightness, making it ideal for daytime viewing without the need to block out all sources of natural light. While some may wish for AirQ support and a broader color gamut, The LS800 excels in being a reliable and user-friendly choice that can seamlessly adapt to diverse lighting conditions. An added bonus of the LS800 is its integrated Yamaha-designed speaker system, which enhances the viewing experience with immersive sound quality. Whether you're in a cozy 200-square-foot space or a slightly larger one, the projector's audio capabilities provide a rich and balanced sound profile that can rival some dedicated speaker setups. What truly sets the LS800 apart is its ability to offer a straightforward yet powerful projection experience. It allows users to effortlessly project large images at any time of the day, thus enabling you to enjoy your favorite content whenever it suits you best. In short, the Epson LS800 UST projector is a solid choice for those seeking a reliable and versatile projection solution that combines impressive brightness, audio performance, and ease of use in one stylish package. Number 2. Samsung The Premiere LSP9T, our pick for best for sound quality. Samsung has made a grand re-entry into the world of home cinema projectors with the impressive Premiere LSP9T model. This ultra short throw projector utilizes 4K HDR laser projection technology with a unique 3-color laser system that eliminates the need for a color filter. The result is a brilliant 2800 lumens brightness that truly brings images to life on screen with the ability to project a stunning 130-inch display. The picture quality delivered by the Premiere is outstanding, with vibrant colors and striking clarity. Samsung's support for the HDR10+ format ensures precise scene-by-scene picture calibration, enhancing the viewing experience for compatible films and TV shows. Additionally, the projector incorporates Samsung's Smart TV operating system for seamless integration. One of the standout features of the Premiere LSP9T is its built-in sound system, which offers an immersive audio experience. From crisp dialogue to well-placed sound effects that complement on-screen action, the projector delivers an elevated soundstage that enhances movie-watching enjoyment. Even intricate sound mixes are reproduced with clarity, and treble effects are rendered smoothly without any distortion. As a premium product, the Premiere LSP9T comes with a higher price tag, but the exceptional performance and features make it a top choice for those looking to invest in a top-tier home cinema experience. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Hisense L9G TriChroma Laser, our pick for best ultra short throw projector overall. Immerse yourself in a cinematic experience like no other with an innovative projector that elevates your living room to new heights. The design of this advanced projector is unlike any other, blending cutting-edge features into a compact ultra short throw form. With a tricolor laser light engine, HDMI 2.1 ports boasting ERC capabilities, HDR support, an intuitive Android TV interface, and robust 40-watt speakers, the possibilities are endless. Forget the standard projector experience. Hisense presents the L9G as a laser TV bundled with an ambient light-rejecting screen designed to seamlessly integrate into your living space. This specialized 100 or 120-inch screen, depending on your selected model, is ideal for those who prioritize impeccable image quality. While the picture performance of the Hisense L9G is truly exceptional, a few aspects might give pause. Adjusting brightness on a shot-to-shot basis can lead to occasional overcorrection, creating abrupt lighting changes. Motion smoothing, although effective in reducing juddering during panning shots, may introduce unwelcome motion artifacts during other scenes. Undeniably delivering breathtaking visuals, the Hisense L9G demands a firm commitment from potential buyers. However, the investment required is far less daunting compared to a 100-inch TV, making it a compelling option even among its more affordable counterparts that are priced significantly higher. This projector represents a fusion of cutting-edge technology and immersive entertainment, inviting you to reimagine your home viewing experience in a whole new light. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best ultra short throw projectors. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which ultra short throw projector you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.